Welcome to Averroa, the next generation of digital consulting. Hi, everyone. Every organization faces digital transformation pressure, but the path is never the same. For some, systems are already huge and complex. For others, resources are limited, but ambition is high. And for everyone, time, budget, and expertise are always in tension. That's where the real question begins. How do you get the right help, at the right scale, and at the right cost?
In large enterprises, every department has its own systems and priorities. Internal IT teams are skilled, but not always fluent in every business process. Designing the perfect solution often requires cross-industry insight, the kind that only comes from outside experience. Sometimes the goal is to design and build a solution externally, then hand it over for the internal team to maintain. Other times, it's about accelerating delivery when budgets or resources are stretched, or simply bringing in fresh best practices from the global market.
For mid-sized companies, the story is different and even more critical. Budgets are tighter. The IT team is capable but smaller. And digital transformation competes with daily operations. These companies need roadmaps, prototypes, and implementation support. But at a cost, that makes sense. They want to see how the best do it without paying enterprise-level fees. And then there are the ambitious small businesses and startups. They may not have a full IT department yet, but they have a clear vision. They want to start clean, use best-in-class methods from day one, and build systems ready to scale as they grow. For them, getting the right foundation now prevents years of costly rework later. In every case, the need is the same: expertise, quality, and agility, without the heavy cost or complexity. And that's when organizations start looking outward to consulting firms or to independent experts. Let us go through the different possible consultation support. On the left stand the world's leading consulting giants like Accenture, Deloitte, EY, PwC, Capgemini, IBM Consulting, KPMG, McKinsey, BCG, and Cognizant. They bring global governance, structured methods, and full-scale delivery. 10 clear strengths: trusted brand, proven frameworks, large teams, accountability, compliance, end-to-end service, deep expertise, risk control, executive-level credibility, and consistent quality. But every strength comes with weight, such as high prices, slow adaptation, complex contracts, layered management, limited flexibility, long timelines, less personalization, overhead costs, junior execution, and low agility. On the other hand, we find the open freelance platforms like Dialectica, Upwork, TopTool, Fiverr Pro, Business Talent Group, Catalant, and Eden McCollum. Here, real experts, often from those same giant consulting firms, offer their skills directly. Remarkable advantages of this model are affordable pricing, fast onboarding, direct communication, niche expertise, flexibility, quick iteration, personalized support, remote efficiency, global reach, and innovation. Yet, challenges appear such as no unified methodology, no governance, inconsistent quality, limited scope, unreliable availability, lack of accountability, weak documentation, unclear ownership, security risks, and no long-term support. Now imagine a model that takes the best of both worlds. Averroa bridges the rigor of the great consultancies with the agility of the global freelancer network. From the left, we bring accountability, compliance, end-to-end services, deep expertise, risk control, and consistent quality. From the right, we can bring most of the benefits: affordable pricing, niche expertise, flexibility, quick iteration, personalized support, remote efficiency, global reach, and innovation. This balance defines Averroa's DNA. But how can we achieve these results and keep the bridge stable? Let us see next. Averroa Services and Delivery Model. How do we onboard the projects and manage it to be delivered? At Averroa, delivery is not improvised, it's engineered. Every service follows a structured, expert-led model designed for reliable results. We operate through 3 engagement tracks: research and innovation, to diagnose, design, and produce strategic roadmaps; execution and delivery, to build, integrate, and land solutions; rescue and support, to turn around troubled initiatives and stabilize systems. These engagement tracks fit in all our services. Our services cover the full digital transformation journey, from strategy to system execution. The engagement tracks are integrated into all services. It covers the full digital transformation journey, from strategy to system execution. The first service pillar is digital program and project management, where we lead and govern complex technology programs end-to-end, ensuring structure, alignment, and measurable outcomes. We can support you in building best practices at your PMO office, or even establish it for you from scratch. For large-scale digital programs where collaboration with major consulting firms is essential, Averroa provides audit and governance management services to ensure clients achieve the highest quality of delivery and full value from their chosen consulting partner. The second service pillar is AI, analytics, and decision intelligence. We help organizations transform data into strategic advantage through advanced analytics, automation, and applied artificial intelligence, which really delivers the desired ROI. Third pillar is intelligent supply chain development and management. Led by Averroa experts trained at global MIT scale centers and seasoned through experience in leading industries. We help organizations design world-class supply chain processes that deliver visibility, resilience, and superior performance across global operations. The last pillar is enterprise software development and workflow automation. We design and implement intelligent software ecosystems that integrate with your ERP systems and connect data, teams, and processes for higher efficiency. Each service is delivered through our Drive and Orbit frameworks, combining senior expertise, global execution, and disciplined governance. Whatever stage a client begins at, Averroa applies the same disciplined, outcome-driven approach, from first idea to full-scale deployment. Let us see next our project governance and management model.
At the core of every project stand Averroa's partners and principals, senior leaders with 10 to 20 years of real delivery experience. They have led global digital programs for companies like Amazon, BASF, Roche, and Microsoft. They shape the solution, own delivery accountability, and act as the client's trusted interface. This means every engagement is guided by practitioners, not theorists, applying live industry best practices to real challenges. Behind each principle stands a flexible execution network. Averroa scales delivery through reliable offshore partners, providing consultants and senior consultants on demand. They work fully under Averroa's governance and quality standards. Principals lead them day to day, while Averroa's management ensures consistency, transparency, and technical oversight across every sprint. It's a global reach, locally controlled. Every project runs under a dedicated governance layer, 3 core functions that keep everything aligned. The program manager initiates the project, models costs, and defines budgets, ensuring a solid operational foundation. The Agility and DevOps manager manages the Microsoft DevOps environment, all agile ceremonies, and live dashboards, providing full visibility to both Averroa and the client. The Quality Assurance manager safeguards documentation, technical standards, and delivery quality. They develop contingency and risk plans, so even if a principal becomes unavailable, Averroa transitions seamlessly without disruption. This model works because it blends senior leadership, operational control, and scalable execution. Clients gain direct access to top-tier professionals, guided by Averroa's internal governance, while benefiting from the efficiency of a lean, globally managed delivery system. By keeping strategy and quality assurance in-house and scaling execution through trusted partners, Averroa delivers enterprise-grade outcomes with boutique precision, faster, leaner, and fully accountable. Let's start a conversation about your next digital journey. Averroa is here to guide, build, and deliver with precision, from your first idea to measurable results.
Averroa. Built by experts. Delivered with precision.